Hello everyone! In this video, I'll explain how to fix Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal failed. If you're trying to send Bitcoin from Cash App and your withdrawal isn't going through, there are a few common reasons and solutions. First, make sure your account is fully verified for Bitcoin transactions. Cash App requires identity verification before you can withdraw crypto. If you haven't submitted your ID and other details, the withdrawal may fail. Second, check your available Bitcoin balance. Sometimes your balance may look higher than what's actually withdrawable because of pending deposits or network confirmations. Always confirm that your funds are fully cleared before attempting to send. Next, make sure the Bitcoin address you entered is correct. A wrong or unsupported address format can cause the withdrawal to fail instantly. Double-check that you are sending to a valid Bitcoin wallet and not to another type of cryptocurrency address. Also keep in mind that Cash App has daily and weekly withdrawal limits. If you're trying to send more than your limit allows, the transaction won't go through. In that case, try sending a smaller amount or wait until your limit resets. Another fix is to update your Cash App to the latest version and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Technical glitches or outdated app versions can sometimes block withdrawals. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and the withdrawal still fails, contact Cash App support. Provide your transaction details so they can investigate and help you complete the withdrawal. In summary, verify your account, check your balance, use a valid Bitcoin address, stay within your limits, update the app, and reach out to support if the issue continues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.